Stars have long been associated with longing, love, dreams, hopes, and sometimes unattainable. But what the stars actually mean to us? For a long time, people have observed the sky, the moon, and the constellations to understand the timing for farming and to make calendars. Our ancestors have been observing the sky, moon, and stars for thousands of years, since before the Bronze Age. The stars have always shone brightly in our lives. Among the remaining records, one noteworthy entry is the Seong Jukudanza, the daily observational log, which is the daily observational log of the variable phenomena in the sky by the Royal Observatory of the Joseon Dynasty. The daily observational log primarily recorded unique astronomical phenomena such as comets, supernovae, meteorites, and more, and were observed and reported by a team of observers to the king through the Sinjungwan Secretariat. The vivid observations and illustrations of comets in the Seong Cheuk hold significant academic and historical value, making it one of the precious ancient astronomical records. According to the report by Wada Yuji, the director of Incheon Meteorological Observatory in 1917, and the book Korean Astronomy, published by American astronomer Carl Rufus in 1936, most of the records of the daily observational log have been lost, with only 8 records of comet observations remaining. Unfortunately, among these, only 3 observation records are currently preserved in Yonsei University Library. Through these records, we can find a special comet that appeared in the Korean sky in the 35th year of King Yeongjo's reign in 1759. This celestial body is none other than Halley's Comet. The daily observational log contains the official observational records of the Joseon Royal Court for Halley's Comet, which visited the Earth for the first time after its 76-year cycle prediction by the British astronomer Halley. This rare comet was observed by a total of 35 astronomers over 25 days. The records provide detailed information about Halley's Comet, including its location from the North Pole, tail length, brightness, and trajectory, meticulously observed and recorded by 5 astronomers on a rotating basis. To precisely document the changing process of these extraordinary astronomical phenomena, the astronomers employed a systematic observation system. At least one observer from the previous day has to be present at the next day. The daily observational log not only demonstrates the remarkable level of astronomy in Joseon, but also remains relevant in modern times, particularly in the research on periodic comets like Halley's Comet. Now, we are seeking UNESCO's MOW inscription for Seong Cheuk to further promote the value of this precious record that the Joseon Royal Court left behind.
성변 측단자의 가치는 하늘에서 나타나는 현상에 대한 아주 생생한 데이터라는 점이고, 그것이 지금은 굉장히 보편적으로 관측을 하는 거지만 그 당시만 하더라도 그런 데이터들이 남아있는 것이 거의 없거든요. 더군다나 이것은 개인이 그냥 기록한 데이터가 아니라 국가기관에서 기록한 데이터다. 이런 점에서 굉장히 공신력을 가지고 있고, 그래서 역사적인 가치라든지 과학적인 가치가 있다고 보는 것입니다.
Korea, under the support of the Royal Court, has carried out astronomical observations for over 2,000 years and possesses the most extensive collection of ancient astronomical records in the world. Especially, the daily observational log stands as the unique and official record of the Joseon Dynasty, and an invaluable record that does not exist in other contemporary countries. As it has preserved the history of our universe for ages while gazing at the sky, Seong Cheuk can be considered as one of mankind's priceless heritage.